One little quick tip. Remember, yourself, the surveyor, the builder, the project manager, the consultant, whoever, can never see behind plasterboards. One thing here, as you can see, can you see any issues? I'll give you a little second to guess. But yes, we've hacked everything off and you couldn't see this crack here. You can see it all the way up, all the way up. But nothing major. We've had it checked, it's historical. We've had the same issue with the other ones in the road. We've had to drop them down, build them back up. We've had to drill out, we've had to put resin bars, resin fixings. We've had to put wall straps on, so we understand this kind of system at the moment anyway. So literally, if you are going to get this inspected, you'll see here, my finger in the right place, all the way down, I can get my finger in, so that much. So the bricks have moved, bricks have cracked, historical. All you need to do is what we call grind out or raking out the mortar bed. Get it a bit lower. Rake out the mortar bed. Fit in a resin bar, which is a hally bar. Put that in halfway through the brick. Basically, don't forget, put the resin that comes with it in first. Then put the resin bar in. Push that all the way in, halfway into the brick. And then put the rest of the resin fixing over the top. It goes like bow metal, absolutely solid. And the engineer will advise you what he wants. I've seen them stick and paste and say, yeah, it's every 6 courses. So you might have one here, and then you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll have one there. But we do it every 2 or 3, just in case anyway. But we also put wall straps over the top, 1 metre wall straps, half metre each side. We do that as well, so don't be concerned about cracks. Some people will be. That'll give you a great opportunity to go, it's cracked, what a nightmare, I need to get a discount, things like that. But always remember, you can never see behind plaster. There was nothing there showing. We've got them in another bedroom, there was nothing there showing either. Let me see over here. So you'll see, behind that, it doesn't look too bad. Coming a little bit closer, you can literally see this crack here, same again. We'll wall strap that, nothing major. Put maybe 1 or 2 hally bars in, so don't forget, you can't see behind plaster, and neither can your professionals. So stay tuned, follow for more videos.